In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your microphone or speaker during a Zoom meeting. Whether you're dealing with audio issues or simply switching between devices, knowing how to do this on the fly can greatly improve your virtual meeting experience. Let's dive right in and make sure you're heard as clearly as you want to be, and that you hear others just as well. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Zoom meeting window. This is where you'll find the audio controls, which are essential for managing microphones and speakers during your meeting. In this corner, you'll see an icon, the one that looks like a microphone. Next to it, there's a small arrow, often referred to as a caret, pointing upwards. Clicking this arrow will open up a menu with various audio options. Once you click that arrow, a menu appears before you. Here's where you gain control over which microphone or speaker you're using. You'll notice two main options, one labeled as Select a Microphone and another as Select a Speaker. These options let you choose the devices that suit your needs at that moment. If you have multiple microphones connected to your computer, perhaps a built-in one and an external device, this is where you select which one to use. Similarly, under Select a Speaker, you can choose whether the audio output is through your computer's built-in speakers, a connected headset, or any other external audio device you may be using. To make a selection, simply click on the device you want from the list provided. Zoom will then immediately switch to the selected microphone or speaker. This change happens instantly, so there's no need to exit the menu or apply settings manually. This quick switch is especially handy during a meeting should you experience any technical difficulties with your audio devices. Remember, managing your audio settings efficiently can make a significant difference in the quality of your calls. It's always a good idea to test your devices before the meeting begins to ensure everything runs smoothly. Keep in mind that sometimes network issues can also affect audio quality. Ensuring your devices are properly connected and your internet connection is stable may save you some audio trouble down the line. With these simple steps, you can now confidently adjust your audio settings and ensure you are always connected with the best sound quality available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this creates a better Zoom meeting experience for you.